Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best free Forex trading apps. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The term trading app refers to the use of wireless technology in securities trading. A trading app will allow traders to access trading platforms from their smart devices. This technology allows for easier access and portfolio management. Traders who are searching for some of the best free Forex trading apps can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy app and broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best free Forex trading apps. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have City Index. City Index is an award-winning Forex broker that is authorized and regulated in the United Kingdom and is a subsidiary of StoneX Financial Ltd and Gain Capital Holdings Incorporated. They are listed on NASDAQ, and they currently have more than 35 years of industry experience with nearly 300,000 clients from all around the world. City Index offers competitive spreads on all their account types, and there are more than 12,000 indices, shares, Forex pairs, metals, bonds, options, and commodities that you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. City Index offers only one type of live trading account, but there are 2 types of demo accounts you can open and a VIP professional account. The standard account is suitable for all types of traders, including beginners. The minimum deposit required to activate this account is £100. However, your account can be funded using a variety of currencies, including the US dollar and euros. If you are an experienced trader and you are looking for a more personalized experience, with more advanced trading tools and more flexible trading conditions, then we would recommend applying for a professional account. As a City Index client, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform and the City Index proprietary trading application. Their mobile application is designed to be beginner-friendly, with all the tools and advanced features that more experienced traders need to take their trading to the next level. It comes with intuitive, configurable charting tools, real-time price alerts, and over 80 technical indicators. This app can also be used on desktops, and you can use it as a demo account first to test out the tools and features offered. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend opening an account with City Index because you can open multiple demo accounts, and you will be able to use your demo account for up to 7 weeks. Once you've opened a demo account, you can visit the training section on the website to access a variety of detailed introductory courses, guides on trading strategies, and high-quality courses that are designed for beginners and professional traders respectively. There are many advantages to trading with City Index, but what we like most about them is that they are regulated by multiple top-tier agencies across several jurisdictions, and they offer thousands of tradable instruments with accounts that are suitable for absolute beginners and high-net-worth professionals. City Index has been awarded for having one of the best platforms for active traders, and their professional account could be a great competitive advantage in the markets. At number 4 on our list is TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is an all-in-one, multi-purpose American Forex and stock broker that was founded in 1975. specializing in a wide range of stocks, Forex pairs, bonds, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, options and futures. Platforms are available on the classic web platform, the next generation web platform, the TD Ameritrade mobile application, or the Think or Swim platforms, which are all supported on desktop, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. With TD Ameritrade, you can open standard trading accounts, retirement accounts, education accounts, business accounts, and margin trading accounts. No minimum deposit is required to open any of these standard accounts, and they provide individual trusts and pension plans, and business partnership or sole proprietorship plans. TD Ameritrade provides educational resources on how to learn and manage your personal finances, how to invest, as well as how to plan and save for your retirement. There are plenty of videos and articles that you can use to learn the basics of investing, and they offer goal-based trading courses that will give you a foundational understanding of fundamental and technical analysis, trading different instruments, and setting up your retirement portfolio. They also provide updated market news with dozens of how-to guides, and you will have access to third-party research, market data, and financial news. Coming in at number 3, we have CMC Markets. CMC Markets has been in operation since 1989 and is one of the most reputable online brokers in the United Kingdom. CMC Markets is a multi-award-winning market maker that has regulation and authorization in several regions. CMC Markets is one of the few brokers that is listed on the London Stock Exchange, and throughout the years, the broker has become a leading and trusted provider of CFD financial instruments and spread betting options. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 9,000 tradable instruments, covering Forex, Indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, shares, and treasuries. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, as well as their very own next-generation trading platform and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on CFD and corporate accounts, with no minimum deposits, lower spreads, access to over 9,000 products, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, customer support, and so much more. CMC Markets also provides their very own educational learning center, which includes beginner's guides to Forex trading and strategies, a variety of webinars you can sign up to, as well as a comprehensive list of trading ebooks for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with CMC Markets. At number 2 on our list is IG. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia. Specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG trading platform and the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IG only offers 2 main types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders, and the more premium account for high net worth traders. The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best free Forex trading apps, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, futures, CFDs, commodities, Forex options, listed options, cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are supported as a web-based browser application and on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Saxo, Corporate and Professional accounts, with Classic, Platinum and VIP tiers, which provide 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. And those are some of the top 5 best free Forex trading apps on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.